Under 6 years ago, the world experienced a pandemic the likes of which we haven't seen in over 100 years. A nation fragmented by fear of the unknown, political divide, and a seemingly ever growing death toll. COVID 19 is gone for now. But are we ready as a nation for the virus that comes next? Here at BHKL Labs, that is exactly what we aim to find out. We studied COVID 19 vaccination and outcomes across the United States, following geographic, political, and as a result, temporal patterns.
We start our study with seeing the rate of spread with the case and death count of COVID 19 early on for each state's top 5 counties. Selecting California, we press play and view the bar race as follows. Notably, this animation is only for the initial 6 months of 2020, reflecting the period prior to vaccinations in communities.
After looking at how COVID spread in those top counties, here we jump to vaccinations. This is where the pattern starts to change. Our map begins at national level, and the next part is how interactive it is. You can click any state and zoom in all its counties to see how the pattern actually looks different. You can also search for a county to see the vaccination history, which makes the data feels more personal and easier to connect. And once we saw these local patterns, the next question became, why do states look so different? This is what we will explore on the next slide.
COVID-19 exposed the stark political divides in America's response. Blue states reached 72%, and then the red states reached 60%. There's about 12% gap emerging in 2021 and persisted through 2023. And it wasn't just geography, it's the political impediments race everywhere. And city, suburban, rural areas, the pattern had across context about 0.483. And the politics shape pandemic responses in measurable, consistent ways. Unlike traditional trackers, we reveal the social forces behind the numbers. So by identifying how politics influence vaccination, we've created the roadmap for targeting the public health interventions.